Hey y'all, this is Angie. It's November the 18th and the holidays are getting near. Yesterday I put up the Christmas stuff already. Yep. Got a little Christmas going on in here. Yeah, there's my banana cream pudding I'm supposed to be making. It's got the vanilla wafers and the whipped topping. And there's some more Christmas stuff. There's the snowman. Yeah, I'm in here trying to do my hubby's laundry. I'm in here, I was cutting up potatoes, boiling potatoes for some mashed potatoes. So here's everything you're gonna need for a vanilla wafers recipe. Of course, got a box of vanilla wafers, 2 boxes of banana cream, instant pudding and pie filling, some whipped topping. I got 2 tubs of these, but I may only need 1, and some bananas. Okay, we'll start off with some bananas. Ooh, that one don't look too good on the end. So we'll just chop that off. We'll chop the bananas up, and I'm gonna put them in a container. Yeah, I emptied that ice cream container, and I'm gonna freeze the bananas until I'm ready to serve the vanilla wafers dessert. Okay, I got all my bananas in there, and I'm gonna place it in the freezer till I'm ready for it. Yeah, we just got back from Food Line earlier and had to get some essentials, like milk, juice, bread, and had to get some sodas, and had to get these. We haven't had these in years. They're so delicious. Okay, yesterday, I'm trying to think what all we did yesterday. We got up real early. We went to the laundromat. We have to take all our big blankets. They won't fit in that little portable washer I got, but it's okay because that portable washer washes loads and loads of laundry a month. And I only had to take my big blankets there once a month, so that's not so bad to go to the laundromat. Just do your big blankets. Let's see, what else? We went to get our tires checked. They was a little bit low. And we stopped at the Dollar Tree. Went and got some few snacks. And they had some new stuff. They had these. I haven't tried these before. This one's mine. My hubby don't like the raspberry, but he likes this kind. So they got these for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Well, I got tons of things I need to be doing. It's nice to see you. So y'all have a great day, great holiday, and we'll see you later.